So in the site details down the bottom here, you can name your site information here. So you can put this down as my business courses. Now you can see the site URL here is very random, and we can change that. In advance, you can add some CSS code should you want, and your tracking code is all there. Now you've got your branding, so you can create your logo, and you've also got your builder options down here. So show download option for original video if you want them to have the ability to download. So there's a few settings in there in which they can set. I'm just going to go back now. That was site details. Now we're going to go into domain setup. So as I said, the domain that it showed was very random in terms of its letters. We need to make sure that we white label this as your own. So what I'm going to do, press domain setup, and then this is where now we can create our own domain. So it's not this bunch of letters. And this is where you will add a subdomain. So it would be something like courses. But also remember, this is going to be used for the community as well. So courses.mybusiness.com. Or maybe because you are going to set up a community further down the line, what you're going to do is you're going to change this to learning. Learning.mybusiness. And then you're going to press add domain. Now, as I've shown or will show in other videos here, make sure that you are logged into your domain registrar. So your GoDaddy, your 123reg, your cheap name, whatever it might be. And then when you press continue, it will open that tab up and automatically connect. If not, press add record manually. And then in here, it gives you a CNAME, which you are going to add to your domain registrar and verify the records. If you get stuck, watch the video, that helps. Now that will change the domain for all your courses and your community as well, your client portal. Right, so as you can see, I've moved now over to client portal. It's automatically moved over there because of the domain setup. While you're here, the one thing that you can do is, so I'm in sites, by the way, sites and client portal's moved over here, is you can look at your branding and you can set your branding up while you're here, should you want to, for your portal. So what happens is when you share a course, it will automatically create a portal for that customer to see that course within. And then you can add more further courses to that portal for that person, should they want, or if they sign up to something else, it will add it all in to the same portal. So make sure you fill out all this information just here in the client portal. I'm going to go back to memberships. I'm going to go back to settings and just finish off here with the email settings. So email settings just here, and this is where you will just say what email you want to go out. So here it's got a standard welcome email. So welcome to the course. So I can edit this here and design how I want that to be as well. Welcome to the course just there. So if I click here, you can see that I've got here, and I've got a default welcome template just there. So if I click that, that is the one that is in the standard CRM system one that we've created. That is standard. So if you just want to use the default one, then you can do that there while you're building out your own. Send drip email as well. So you got the welcome and then you got the drip. So what this means is automatically send an email when drip category is available. So if you set your course up to be a drip category, then when the next one becomes available, it will send another email. And send offer access email, automatically send an email when offer access is provided to a member. And also you can default the offer access template there. And I'm going to show you what the offer access is in a minute. So automatically send an email when offer access is provided to a member. So that is, let me just show you. So what you can do here is if I go into contacts just here, and I go into a person's name just here, if I scroll down, you can see here I got offer. So if I send this here, one of these here, this offer, then it will send that offer access email out to them. And there's a few other automation tools that you can do to do that. So I'm just going to go back to membership and just go back to settings. And that was the email settings there that I showed you. So the best thing to do is probably design your own, or if you don't want to, just use the default template. Just saying, I'm going to save that. Going to go back, and then you've got app settings here, customize the experience of desktop and mobile apps just here. So in the app settings here, you can give it a name, a short description, and a short name, and then the icons, and change the colors just here how you want it to be. This will not change the name of the app that they download from the App Store or Google Play Store, because that is called Collab. So your customers will download an app called Collab, which is KOLLAB, and then they log in using the username and password that is given to them as part of the membership area, and then they can log in and see your courses and see this information when they log in. If you do want a white labeled version of the app, then please do reach out and we can speak to you further on that. But as I said, they download the Collab one, which is KOLLAB, and they see this information in here and the courses that they are connected to.